Welcome eager moneymakers, welcome to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and we'll continue to bring you more videos that will help to motivate you into taking your next step in whatever venture you are pursuing. Okay, let's share a couple of things, shall we? Have you ever lent money to a friend or family member, only to realize that the payback might never come? It's a common predicament that many of us find ourselves in. We want to help out our loved ones in their times of financial need, but this act of kindness can quickly turn into a source of stress and unease. Picture this: you lend your best friend a significant amount of money. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months, and yet, the money remains unpaid. The elephant in the room grows bigger with every passing day, making every interaction awkward. You start to avoid each other, and the relationship you once cherished seems to be crumbling under the weight of this unpaid debt. It's a story as old as time, one that has strained countless relationships, and it's a story that illustrates the emotional toll loaning money can take. Loaning money can often lead to a lose-lose situation, where relationships are strained and debts remain unpaid. Let's dive deeper into why loaning money can be a minefield of potential problems. It's easy to see loaning money as a simple transaction, an exchange of currency from one hand to another. But beneath the surface, there's a whole world of psychological factors at play that often go unconsidered. This is where the real pitfalls of loaning money lie. Firstly, let's talk about the borrower's perspective. When a friend or family member loans them money, they might start to feel a sense of entitlement. After all, they might think, we're close, they won't miss this money, and they should help me out. This entitlement can lead them to take the loan lightly, neglecting repayment schedules, or even forgetting about the loan altogether. On the flip side, the lender, that's you, can start to expect gratitude or special treatment in return for your financial aid. After all, you've gone out of your way to help, right? You might start to feel resentment when this gratitude doesn't materialize, or when the borrower doesn't seem to be making an effort to repay the loan. Consider the story of Mark and Lisa. They were best friends since high school. When Lisa fell into financial hardship, Mark, who had a comfortable income, offered her a substantial loan. Lisa, feeling entitled, took the loan lightly and was lax about repayments. Mark, expecting gratitude and timely repayments, grew resentful. This resentment turned into heated arguments and eventually they stopped talking altogether. A lifelong friendship soured by a single loan. This scenario is far from uncommon. The misunderstandings and resentment that can stem from loaning money can damage relationships, sometimes irreparably. It's not just about the possibility of losing money, it's about the emotional toll it can take on both parties involved. Remember, when you loan money to someone, you're not just giving them a financial obligation. You're also bringing a whole lot of emotions, expectations, and potential misunderstandings into the mix. Loaning money isn't just about the financial risk, it's about the emotional toll it can take on both parties involved. Instead of loaning, have you ever considered giving money without the expectation of getting it back? Let's delve into this concept a bit more. When you give, rather than loan, you're removing the pressure of repayment. No more awkward conversations about missed payments or late fees. No more strained relationships. It's a gift, not a debt. And that changes the dynamic entirely. Moreover, think about the feeling of relief and gratitude you're providing. You're not just handing over cash, you're offering peace of mind. You're saying, I'm here for you, no strings attached. This isn't just about money, it's about generosity and kindness. It's about fostering a sense of community, of looking out for one another. Of course, it's important to give within your means. But when you can, why not choose the path of giving? Why not choose the path of kindness and generosity? Giving, rather than loaning, can be a more peaceful and fulfilling way to help others financially. For more videos on motivational financial advice, please like and subscribe to the Jetset Wealthstyle channel. So, what have we learned about the perils of loaning money? We've delved into the emotional and relational pitfalls that often accompany the act of loaning money. It's a tricky path, fraught with tension and potential misgivings, where expectations and reality may not always align. This is a road that can lead to strained relationships, resentment, and regret. Instead, we've explored the alternative, the act of giving. This simple shift in perspective can alleviate much of the stress and uncertainty that comes with lending. Giving, without expecting anything in return, can foster goodwill, strengthen bonds, and promote a sense of generosity. It's a practice rooted in compassion and understanding, rather than obligation and pressure. As we navigate the complex world of finances, let's hold these insights close. The next time we're faced with a money lending situation, let's consider the potential implications and choose the path that aligns with our values and relationships. Remember, when it comes to money, it's often better to give than to loan.